Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to make chicken tostadas. So I'm gonna make a Mexican chicken style. It is so good. It's a little spicy, but it has a really nice chipotle flavor. It is just amazing and so easy to put together, and I know you'll love it. So let's get started. Alright guys, so the first thing that I'm going to do is to poach my chicken. So here in this saucepan I have some chicken breast, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and add some dry oregano, some onions, garlic, and I'm also going to add some chicken bouillon powder. This is the one I'm using, and you're gonna add some water. You're gonna mix everything together, give it a nice mix, bring this mixture to a boil, and once it comes to a boil, you're going to lower the heat to low, to medium low. You're gonna cover it and you're gonna simmer this for 30 minutes until the chicken is nice and cooked. So this is just how I poach my chicken, but you can use already cooked chicken, shred it up, but I'm showing you how I make mine. So what we're gonna do now is to make our sauce. So here in this blender, I'm just going to add my plum tomatoes, some garlic, and this is the chipotle. This is in a can. This is chipotle pepper. This has like a nice smoky flavor, and they're spicy, so I'm just gonna add 2 of them. But if you like it really spicy, you can really add more. So I'm just gonna add 2, and also I'm gonna add some salt. Add a little bit of the chicken broth that you cook the chicken to mix it all together so it could blend easily. So we're gonna blend that all together and set it aside until you're ready to use it. So now in a pan with high size, I have some oil there. It's over a medium heat. Add the onions, add a little salt and pepper to let it sweat, and we're gonna cook this here on medium low, like for about 5 minutes, until the onions become translucent, nice and soft. Once the onions are soft, we're going to go ahead and add the sauce that we blended all together. So you're gonna mix everything together and you're going to cook this here over medium heat for about 7 to 10 minutes. We want this to be a little thicker and less soupy. So just mix it all together and cook there for 7 to 8 minutes. After that, we're going to go ahead and add our shredded chicken. So I just shredded the chicken with my hands, or you can use 2 forks if you want. Mix it all together and cook this here for, I would say, maybe 3 minutes until everything is warmed through and is not so liquidy. So after your chicken is done, we're just going to assemble it. So here I have 2 tostadas. So these are store-bought, but you can actually make your own. So you get corn tortillas and you fry them, and you have homemade tostadas. So I'm just gonna add some of the chicken on the tostada, then I'm gonna add lettuce, tomatoes, and Mexican crema, but you can definitely add whatever you want, avocado, queso fresco, anything that you want, really. This is just what I had, so that's what I'm using, and this turned out so good, guys. So guys, I really hope that you enjoyed my recipe for chicken tostadas. The recipe will be in the description box. If you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so you could get notified whenever I upload a video, and I see you next time. Bye.